Let's go down here and see if we can catch Raphael crowing. Raphael! He has a very unique crow. I don't know if it's because maybe he's still immature. But, hey Raphael. Will you crow? He doesn't crow a lot right now. He's eating. Raphael! Raphael! He was crowing just a minute ago. We had to put him in a tiny house, so we don't want him constantly mating the hens. He's turned into a really pretty boy. Really pretty. See? He's spoiling my soul now. I think he kind of likes his new little place, his bachelor pad. Hey, Raphael. I guess he's just not gonna crow. He sure is pretty though. Very handsome. You're very handsome, Raphael. You're very handsome. He's tired. Look, he's going to sleep. He's asleep. Aww. Well, if you watch our short, you can hear what he sounds like. My daughter was coming back in the house and we caught his crowing sound. But you don't get to see him do it, but you can hear him do it from a distance. He goes, I don't know, he has this like crow, but then it kind of almost sounds like a gargle or something. It's really pretty though, actually for a crow. Most crows are annoying. This is kind of pretty. I wish he would crow. Raphael, will you crow for us? You're just not going to do it. Oh, you're gonna get some of them old feathers out. Yeah, one come loose. They like to eat their feathers. It's really strange. Looks like we're gonna be getting a thunderstorm here. Sorry about rolling around so quick. I'm trying to go slow, but we have so many trees. See, the sky is so gray. Anyways, there's Mr. Handsome. Raphael, he's the one in the video too that we were wondering if he was a rooster, or we're thinking he was a rooster. He's a rooster. We have another little rooster too over here. He's just a tiny baby though, but we're sure he's a rooster. Let me turn the electric off real quick. See if I can get over this thing without tripping. I have a dress on. So that's him right there. See at the very back with the big comb? That's Gabriel. And those are the girls. Trying to look through those are some of the girls. There's Gabriel. Hey Gabriel. This little one, she's just lay down. Anyways, I'm gonna go up and give you a closer look at Raphael. This is Gabriel. He's 4 weeks old, so about a month old. We were cleaning the coop today. Well, I should say my family was cleaning the coop today. There's two of the red hens that have grown up. They're so pretty. This video just doesn't do them justice. They're so shiny. They're being raised on non-GMO food. So, here's another one. She's pretty too. They're hanging around their Raphael. Hey, Rafi. Let me zoom out. Hey, Rafi. He's finally 4 months old. He's so handsome. You're so handsome. I wish you would crow so that everyone could hear how beautiful your crow is. You think you might do it? Probably not while I'm watching. Raphael, are you a crow? He's probably like, hey woman, quit bugging me. I'll crow when I feel like it. And I don't want to be on camera either. I want to be over there with the girls. Any of the crowing you hear off in the background is not him. You don't see him on there. When you hear the crowing, it's one of our other roosters. Him and Helios don't really crow a lot. Guess that's a good thing. See, they're like not used to being separated. They just been separated since yesterday. All the girls are hanging out over here. We put this stuff up here because I read online that it helps to keep hawks from attacking or deter them. It seems to have worked. We haven't had as much trouble with hawks. I won't say that they haven't come around, because they do once in a while, but we've not had any swoop down at our chickens anymore, and we really haven't had that many coming around. But we've had a lot of blackbirds too, and I've heard that if you have a lot of blackbirds around your area, or crows, like crows especially, they'll run hawks off, because hawks will kill their babies. So, and we have a lot of them that nest up in these trees back off in there, in the woods over there. So